So, project one is due tomorrow. We've been doing it for quite a while. It's been 4 weeks since we started the project, and so this time in the vlog, there's not much footage I could get through the weeks. So I'm just gonna show you pictures and generally talk about what I learned during the process and during the project. So first thing is that so the first thing in the blog is that for this project, vlogging is something I really enjoyed, but sometimes it kind of distracted me that, or I was either too much involved in the project that I forgot to vlog. But apart from that, for this project, I think it took a lot of patience and yeah, a lot of patience to do the shapes again and again. I mean, you don't really have to do them many times, but then like for me, all the prisms I had to do them thrice, and the pyramids and the cones I had to do them twice. So yeah, I think there's this learning curve. Once you get it, I think you'll be fine. Um, Couple of things I learned in this project is that you should always measure before you start your work. So that helps out a lot. And once after finishing your work, and a couple of times during sanding, so you don't miss out on your measurements. That's one thing. And second is when you store foam like in cubes, they kind of become uneven after a while. Like I stored my cubes for like 2 weeks, sorry, like 1.5 week, and they kind of became uneven. So that's like one thing to watch out for. Another thing is keeping the wire hot can also reduce your actual measurement, though your like position and jig is right. If the hot wire is really hot, it's still gonna cut down a lot, and and especially it will make a big difference for primitives like cone and pyramid, because they're angled. So like the hot wire cutting down even a bit of surface would cause like a big deviation. Overall, the first project, I would say it went pretty fine. Um, it just had to do with the measurings and stuff. Um, and I'm really happy it's done. Fine. There were no hardships. Um, so yeah, and I hope this skill helps in the future somehow.